more time, very good morning to all. Now, related to our HCDA session, yes, before starting with our session, I hope everyone got that invitation from classroom. Yes or no? So, yes, I had sent it to
No,
you.
ma'am.
Then just verify your email ID one more time because some of the students are already accepted that invitation as well. So no worries, you can verify and let me know, right? If any problem you people are finding. Okay. So first of all, you need to accept that invitation. Whatever activity related to COA, like our lab work as well as assignment, that all you need to submit there, as well as HCDA activity you need to submit at that place. Okay.
Ma'am, I haven't
Yes.
got any mail. I haven't.
Shubham, right? Okay, Shubham, once I will give you that today's HCDA work, I will verify your name, okay? And will let you know.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So see, previously we had started with resume writing, yes or no? So, okay, Ashish. So see, these are the activity list which actually with respect to your workshop activities, right? But as I had told you in a previous session that actually in this subject you need to perform one project like individual project. For that you need to prepare one static website which is having minimum 10 pages. Okay. So now this is the time to select your project definition. So what we are planning to do in today's lab. See, first of all, I hope this first tutorial is ready with you. CV is nothing but the resume. Full form of CV is curriculum vitae, right? So whether you had a prepared program for resume or CV, both are same. Now second task is Marwadi University timetable. So actually these are the exercise that you can perform even later on, right? So for this particular exercise, I had uploaded one lab work in HCDA subject on classroom. Okay, so on that you need to upload your answer PDF and deadline for the same is 10th of March. That means you are having enough time. It is not like that all 10 tutorials are compulsory, right? The maximum as you can perform and as you can solve that you need to upload on that classroom. So for this particular exercise, you will find out one classroom submission link. Okay, on that you need to upload this exercise in single PDF file. First, you need to write down this question. Below that, you need to write down answer. After that, you need to paste screenshot of your output. Okay. So once the document is ready, you need to upload it out, but before 10th of March. Okay. So this is the first part. Now, from next lab onwards, we need to work on that website part. So within today's lab, what I am planning to do, you need to search one definition in this lab, okay? And as your definition is ready, you need to tell me that name of your definition. So today, actually, you can start with the timetable once it is ready, or if it is not going to be ready in this lab. Okay, okay, Shubham. Once it is ready, this Marwadi University timetable, afterwards you can take your own time and start thinking about your project definition. And if within this lab you are not able to complete this tutorial, then just stop your work at nearly 12:15 and in last 15 minutes search for your project definition, and let me know your final project name. Okay, at the end of this lab I will share uh, just a minute, Ashish, I will answer you for your question. At the end of today's lab I will share that Excel sheet, right, where I had pasted your name. You just need to tell me your project title. Now, how you can select project title? For example, yes, online photo gallery. This is one website, right? Now, the condition is you are not required to prepare any dynamic website. You simply need to prepare one static website which is having minimum 10 pages. Okay, so on that online photo gallery, you can provide one page like a home page. After that, contact us. After that, you can provide about us kind of thing. After that, you can provide one new module that is gallery. On that gallery, let's suppose you have provided some category, like you had pasted photos of various city, photos of like various yes, various scenarios in scenario places, photos of like yes, desert, various places, desert photos, and so many more. Okay, so you can keep as many category as you want. So suppose I am going to click on cities, then again it is going to redirect me on next page. So that is again one more page. Okay, if I am going to click on deserts, then again new page. So likewise you must have total 10 pages. Okay, so you can select any of the project name as per your choice, but yes, you need to perform this website creation implementation activity as an individual manner, right? There is no such term like group. You need to create this website by your own. So you people are getting what you need to do.
Ma'am, the
Yes.
what is the due date of the project?
Actually, project we need to complete throughout, we need to carry on throughout this semester. So at the end of your semester, probably your term and date is in a May, right? So at the end of, for example, at April or starting of May, I will be start to take your submission related to this project. So in every lab of this HTML, we'll do this project activity. Do you get this?
Okay, ma'am.
Minimum number of exercise to do within March 10. Ashish, I'm not getting this. What you are trying to tell me?
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to submit this exercise, right? This,
Yes, yes, yes,
yeah,
till 10th of March. So that
yeah.
exercise you can carry forward whenever you are free. Will
Yes,
not,
ma'am. But
yes,
we do not need to complete all 10, right? So I am
yes,
at
yes.
how much
But
minimum we should do?
uh, see, as per my knowledge, we had completed one. This two you can easily complete in 2 days lab only. After that, create a complete registration form. So yes, third, then provide nice and see. Fourth activity is provide a nice and different style of C, so that you can say is a part of this exercise number one. Okay, so at least 5 to 6, sorry, 5 to 7, yes, any of your choice, right? 5 to 7 exercise of your choice you can complete. Do you get this? Because again, this is related to your exercise number 3.
Ma'am,
Yes,
we have to complete 7, 1 to 7, right? All.
yes. Any seven of your choice.
Okay, ma'am. So we do not need to do that. We can leave JavaScript completely.
Sorry, you can.
Leave the exercise related to JavaScript, like in 8, 9, and 10. There are JavaScript, right?
Yes, but I'm not telling first 1 to 7 you need to do. You can select any random 7 as per your interest. Do you get this?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So if you are knowing JavaScript, you can carry forward those activity as well. Yes, Ravi. Ma'am, I'm confused that how can I merge 10 pages in? See, Ravi, it is not like that. Suppose you are clicking on the one page on your website, right? Suppose on your Marwadi portal, what it will happen? Suppose you are clicking on exam or you are clicking on account, then it will redirect to next page. Yes or no? So likewise, total pages you need to prepare. Do you get this? Do you get this? Okay, okay. I hope you are
Ma'am,
getting right. What? Yes, yes.
ma'am,
Yes, Ravi.
ma'am, right now we have performed only 1 to 7 or only one between 1 to 7.
No, no, no. Actually, right now, you need to perform this exercise number two because one we had completed. But later on, as per your conveniency, you need to implement rest of the activity. But all if you are not able to complete, then any seven exercise you need to upload. Any seven.
Okay, ma'am, got it, got it.
Okay, and the deadline is 10th of March that you can find out from our Google Classroom. Sunny, there is no any final announcement for this, so I cannot tell you about this. Yes, there are so many rumors, but even we are not getting any official announcement. And until we are not getting, I cannot forward uh, any message to you. Right? Once we'll get, immediately I will inform you. No worries.
Ma'am, how many days before we would find ma'am offline classes notification?
You must have some sufficient timing so that if students are not in Rajkot, they can report. They can easily reach to the Rajkot.
Ma'am, if it will be long time, then it will would be good, ma'am. Otherwise, how we will reach there?
No, definitely. But just don't worry. Even if you are not able to reach on time, like suppose you just have 2 to 3 days of timing. Just a minute, madam. Sorry, just a minute. Yes, who were speaking? I guess Ashish. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, is 10th of March is the last day of exercise?
March is a.
March 10th.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
March 10 is the last date to submit this exercise, right? Not your project. For project, you are having
Okay,
complete
okay.
semester. Yes,
Okay.
yes, and yes, I was speaking like if you are not having enough time to reach or to report at a Marwadi, like suppose we are announcing that within 2 days we'll start offline classes and you need to report at Rajkot. And if in case you are not able to reach, then no worries, we'll not going to mark you absent. Okay, because this you might have these online classes with you, you can refer it out. So there is nothing like your loss. Okay, no that no that is just an example, Ashish. I'm telling in case suppose you are having this kind of scenario with you and you are not getting enough time to reach, then no worries about that. Okay, because right now university has started classes of 8th sem, right? So even though in 8th sem, those students are feasible to came, they are daily coming to college. But those who are not able to report at college, for them even we are providing online classes. So actually parallelly both online and offline is going on. So students are not there in a loss. Okay, do you get this? Okay, fine. So I hope there is no query regarding this, as well as this HCDA query is clear. For this exercise, you can take any 7 as per your interest, and that you need to upload in one single PDF as file name as per file name given on that classroom instruction. Right? I had told you what name you need to keep as well as what thing you need to keep as a footer part like this: enrollment number, name, and HCDA as it is. So likewise in that appropriate format you need to upload within 10th of March. So do you get this? Is the project is chosen by us or you? No, now that I had told you, you need to finalize one definition and that you need to give me by today's lab itself. So first you can continue with this exercise and in the last 10 or 15 minutes you can search on this project, right? And once you are ready with one project title, you just need to inform. Nearly 12:15 I will share that Excel sheet here. So where I will write down your name and your project name. Every all exercise you had done, Ashish? Then, okay, very good. Then directly you can start with this third one, isn't it? And one more thing, Ashish, along with that code, you need to paste screenshot of your output. Okay, so if you are not having that output screenshot, then just one more time run your code. Take the screenshot of your output because that you need to paste. Okay, then very good. You can start directly with exercise number 3. Okay, very good, Ravi. You had done 1, 2, and 3. Good. Then in today's lab, with which exercise you will start? Yes, Ashish, it is perfectly okay. You can make any random timetable. Timetable data is not our concern. Our concern is you know how to create the timetable, right? Okay, Janatu, what is your pronunciation? Genatu or Janatu?
Gannatu.
Ganit. Okay, fine, fine.
Yes.
Okay, fine. You can start. Meanwhile, I will prepare that Excel with your name and enrollment number so I can present directly over here.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Shubham.
Ma'am, I have some network issue when you are telling that when to choose your topic.
Okay, so what you are not getting? Can you elaborate your doubt?
You s- you tell the last date of when to choose the topic of the project for the semester.
Okay, that project title you need to submit by today's lab only. So in last 15 minutes, I will ask you about your final definition. So just right now you need to think on that. Do you get this?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, Shubham. So Shubham, if your project title is ready, you can continue with this exercise, right? And those who project title is not ready, you can just finalize and then you can continue with the exercise. Okay, so one by one, who are present, just let me know your project definition that you had finalized. Yes, any student, please do reply with your definition in the chat box. Yes, there are so many students. Ashish, Anmol, Ranitu, Laile, Mubrato, Neeraj, Ravi, Regina,
Excuse me,
Rohit, Sandesh. Do reply with your definition. Sarika, Shubham and Sunny.
मैम
Yes.
मैम मुझे थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हो गया मैम, दरअसल मेरा
हाँ
नेटवर्क
बोलो
कट गया था।
बोलो बोलो क्या कंफ्यूजन
मैम
है?
जैसे कि हम लोग को ये प्रोजेक्ट जो बनाना है, मतलब कि हम लोगों ने सी प्लस प्लस में प्रोजेक्ट बनाया था, वो बैंक मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, जैसे अकाउंट में लॉगिन करो ना, वैसा वाला बनाना है कि जस्ट एक फॉर्मेट बनाना है, जैसे कि
नहीं नहीं,
सेमिनार हॉल का फॉर्म?
प्रोजेक्ट ही बनाना है पर स्टैटिक बनाना है, मतलब कि वहाँ पे कोई डेटाबेस कनेक्टिविटी या ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा, डायनेमिक नहीं रखना है, स्टैटिक
अच्छा,
कंटेंट
जैसे
लाइक
मैम
आप
एक
क्लिक
फॉर्म हो
कर।
सकता है?
हाँ, पर फॉर्म तो आप बहुत छोटा सा, मतलब एक पेज का हो सकता है।
वही मैम, जैसे कि मैंने अगर किसी सेमिनार हॉल का अगर प्रोजेक्ट बना रहा हूँ जिसमें कि जितने कस्टमर लोग लॉगिन कर रहे हैं, कोई बुक कर रहा है, क्या क्या करना है, तो वो ऐसा टाइप का प्रोजेक्ट हो सकता है।
हाँ, पर डेटाबेस कनेक्टिविटी नहीं आएगी, तो जिसमें नहीं आती ऐसा कुछ आप रख सकते हो।
ओके मैम।
मैम
Ashish, food ordering or restaurant topic already taken from image.
मैम मेरा सी प्लस प्लस में भी यही वो था मैम।
क्या?
मैंने सी प्लस प्लस में भी यही वो ऑनलाइन फूड ऑर्डरिंग सिस्टम का बनाया था, इसलिए
पर
वो
ऑर्डरिंग कैसे चलेगा बेटा? सेम तो हम नहीं रख सकते।
नहीं है मैम इधर।
होटल मैनेज, फूड ऑर्डरिंग, रेस्टोरेंट मैनेजमेंट।
नहीं है, ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग का है, फूड का नहीं है।
ओके ओके, बट आई गेस किसी ने बताया था मुझे, पर याद नहीं आ रहा। ठीक है, नो इश्यू। ओके, लेट्स कीप योर प्रोजेक्ट एज अ।
मैम थोड़ा बहुत भी वो यूज नहीं कर सकते क्या,
क्या?
डाटाबेस का?
अगर आपको करना है then it is fine, but otherwise in HCDA you just need to prepare one simple static website,
ओके मैम।
because ultimate goal is whatever you have learned in that workshop, right? 1 week
यस मैम।
workshop that you need to use. So suppose we are going to provide like a complete website, then definitely you require knowledge about some other languages as well, right?
यस
As
मैम।
well as database connectivity you must know. So that is why we are not concerned with those two, because our focus is just to use the information or the work which you had done in that workshop. But if you wish, you can use, no issue on that. But
यस
condition
मैम।
is within deadline our website must be completed.
ओके मैम।
Yes, Sandesh, you can use, but whenever it is feasible, you need to use HTML, CSS, JavaScript. If any other things you want to add, then you can use these other PHP and all those stuff. Okay, Ravi. Good. Let me write down. So now we'll see these example related to this. The first example, language is a string. But can you give me one appropriate name, Ravi? Because the title of website cannot be like simply historical.
Ma'am, still I don't decide, but ma'am, maybe this will be a historical website, ma'am.
Yes, but just change the name. The definition is good, no issue with that. I'm just telling to change the name.
Ma'am, historical means I can include more historical person who is done good in his or her life.
Yes, I go to what you are telling. That is good idea, but I'm just telling, just modify your name. No, Sarika, no one has taken. Should I write down e-commerce website? Sunny has chosen. Okay, no issue, Sarika.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Neeraj?
Ma'am, can we get a bit more time to decide our project
Hmm.
till next lab?
Okay, till next lab it is fine, but on next lab directly you need to tell me that name, okay? Because
Yeah,
we need to
yeah, sure,
start.
ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Okay, Laila.
Ma'am,
Yes.
name like Subhash Chandra Bose.
Okay. Yes, I'm getting that, but just change the name. Wait, I will also try to find out on Google. I will get some name. Can you keep name like this? Leaders of India. Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. It will be fine.
Okay, fine. Okay, Jonathan.
I will decide the next lab.
Okay, fine, no issue. So fine, if anyone getting name, then just let me know in chat box. Meanwhile, I will open that attendance portal. Okay, Regina. Shubham, are you there? Just say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Sandesh, okay. Sandesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sunny.
Yes, ma'am.
Mubratom.
Yes, ma'am.
Neeraj.
Yes, ma'am. Neeraj present.
Ashish.
Yes, ma'am. Ashish present, ma'am.
Laile. Anmol.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Okay. Sampanna. Sarika.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Janatu,
Yes, ma'am.
Regina,
Present, ma'am.
Ravi,
Yes,
Ravi,
ma'am.
okay, and Rohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, so any other students who want to give me that project title?